Hello and welcome to another market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency that has suffered in the last few days. There was a, you could say rapid, massive sell-off in the crypto sector early in the week, and today we want to take a look at VeChain. We want to take a look at how VeChain has started to recover and if there is a chance for a recovery or if we see new cyclical lows. Let's go. All right, so we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. It's our Market Intel website. You get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates, including cryptocurrencies. You see, we also covered SUI, Polygon, Bitcoin, Ethereum. If that all interests you, yesterday we published a video about Bitcoin, Ethereum, by the way. But if that interests you, check out the website. It's for free. But let's take a look at the VeChain chart. And first of all, we want to dive into the larger time frame before we take a look at the microstructures. And what you see here, the market is sort of still in our long-term box. Why is this box there? It is a long-term box for accumulation from a long-term view. If you see VeChain as an investment, this is the area that we believe the price will never enter again once it has really left it on a sustained basis, because the idea is when this third wave really gets going to 58 cents plus, then the price might never be again in this area. We know that after all 5 waves are completed, but that will take a long time. The correction can be massive, but that again will take a long time and we might still never enter this area again. So the idea is that from a chart point of view, we had a wave 1, which is the first wave in a larger uptrend. We had a wave 2, which is a corrective pullback, a long wave 2, crypto bear market, likely ended 2023, and we're now in this third wave up. And we see this here only as the beginning of that third wave up. And ideally the price would turn around here to the upside, start a larger uptrend, for which we can see some tendencies on the smaller time frame, would break above the 28 cent level, which is the top of the 2021 high, and then reach the 58 cent area. So it's 58 cents plus. I'm usually saying we've got 64 cents and 75 cents as additional upside targets, but that is far away. And it is too far away to really trade for it. There are smaller time frame patterns, I think, that you might want to use for trading if you are looking for short-term swing trades. However, if you really see it as a long-term investment, then you have some guide paths here. You have a roadmap to follow, and you have a key level to watch in terms of upside breakout, which is the 28 cent level. Now let's take a look at the daily chart, which is our shorter time frame chart. Here you can see that the market formed, in our opinion, quite a bullish structure. But I have to say as well that ideally the price would have moved to the upside already, right? Ideally, the price would have moved to the upside already. This here is just because the market just couldn't build enough upside pressure, corrected again, that we're dealing with another corrective pullback. It is a 3-wave move after that high, which formed end of 2024. So at the moment, we see this as a so-called 1-2-1-2 pattern. What is a 1-2-1-2 pattern? So such a pattern, or it's called a 1-2 setup, is typically a setup that from an Elliott Wave point of view, you might want to use for trading. It indicates that the wave 1 goes in the trend direction to the upside and the wave 2 is a pullback that corrects that, but it should form a higher low. So you might ask, why do we not have a trading area on the chart? It is because it is a bit uncertain, right? I mean, this is still the best wave count, the best scenario that this is a corrective pullback and it should lead to another rally, but we don't have enough evidence from the low that a correction is formed. And overall, this chart has taken this chart a long time. On top of that, if you already accumulated here in this area, you might still be in profit, or you already realize some profits up there and moved. That's typically what we do when we gray out these areas. It means you have to move up your stop, secure your position, and that is what happened here on the VeChain chart after the price reacted successfully to this trading area. The market moved up a lot, but it's now fallen back into the range. So it's all about, the pattern is still bullish, but please note that below 1.8 cents, this bullish pattern will be invalidated. We would have to reinterpret the chart. But from a primary wave count point of view, primary scenario point of view, we would prefer if the market turns around here, avoids ideally another low below this week's low, breaks above the 8 cent level, and then rallies into the region 15 to 20 cents plus in this orange third wave. So We believe there is a rally around the corner, but it's not necessarily a high confidence assessment at the moment. There is a lot of uncertainty around the Bitcoin chart as well, the Ethereum charts. Especially Bitcoin could be in the late stages of a rally. We talked about that yesterday. So just consider all of that. We cannot ignore fully the sector-wide tendencies, even though every chart needs to be considered on its own with regards to the key levels, but still sector-wide tendencies are there. And there is a likelihood that if Bitcoin starts to correct, that also the altcoins, including, for example, VeChain, will fall out of its pattern and they might make new lows before they start a substantial recovery. But all that would mean is that VeChain would simply go a little bit lower in the long-term accumulation zone. So that's just something to consider. From a short-term point of view, I gave you that key level against which we can focus on higher prices, which is the 1.8 cent level. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you follow us here on the channel, subscribe, but also register on the website and activate the notification bell below the video. Let me know in the comments as well which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover going forward. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.